Good morning, everyone. My assigned topic is about Prohibited Act, Fines, and Penalties in Republic Acts. Prohibited Acts, Fines, and Penalties Republic Act 6969 Toxic Substance and Hazardous in Nuclear Waste Control of Act of 1990. Ito ay nag-emphasize itong Republic Act is the hazardous na mga nuclear control o nuclear waste or mga penalties about dyan, and nakapalob sa section 13 prohibited acts that the following acts and omissions shall be considered unlawful. And paragraph A is knowingly use chemical substance or mixture which is imported, manufactured, processed, or distributed violation of this act, implementing rules in regulation or orders. Sa nakawalod sa paragraph A is kanang alam mo yung anong klaseng substance na nandun nakamix na act na implementing rules. B is failure of refusal and submit reports, notice, or on-the information access to record as required by the acts or permit inspection of establishment where chemicals are manufactured, processed, stored, or otherwise held. Ito na yung mga penaltihan sila dahil sa mga kulang-kulang na requirements na nasubmit or permit ba yan. And sa paragraph C, failure of refusal to comply with the manufacture and pre-importation requirement, and cause, aid, or facilitate directly or paragraph D is about cause, aid, or facilitate directly or indirectly in the storage, importation, or bringing into the Philippine territory, including its maritime economic zone, even transit either by means of land, air, on sea transportation, otherwise keeping in storage any amount of hazardous in nuclear waste in any part of the Philippines. And another is the section 14, criminal offense and penalties. Alam naman natin yung criminal offense and penalties dito sa atin. Paragraph A, the penalty of imprisonment of 6 months and 1 day to 6 years in 1 day in fine ranging from 600,000 pesos and to 400,000 pesos shall be imposed this act in person who shall violate section 13A to C of this act and shall not be covered by the probation law. If the offender is foreigner, he or she shall be deported and barred from any subsequent entry into the Philippines after serving his or her sentence. Dito is sabi dito sa sa violation sa A, ito yung A, knowingly use chemical. Sa C, failure of refusal to then sa paragraph A sec 2, in case any violation of this act is committed by a partnership, corporation, or association, or any juridical person, the partner, president, director, or manager who shall knowingly tolerate the employees and shall be criminally liable as a co-principal. Dito is the 3, paragraph A3, in case of offender is government official or employee, he or she addition to the above penalty be deemed automatically dismissed from office and permanently disqualified from holding any elective appointed position. Ito like mga government official, mga mayor, police, yung na-assign dyan sa anong tawag dyan, sa custom. Yan talaga maraming katiwalian dyan na mga ganyang pangyayari. dito is, paragraph B na tayo. First, the penalty of the imprisonment to 12 years and one day to 20 years and shall be imposed upon any person who shall violate section 13D of this act. If the offender is a foreigner, he shall be deported and barred from any subsection in the Philippines after serving his or her sentence. And the next one is ito. In the case of the offender is government official employee, shall addition to the above penalty automatically dismissed from the office of permanently disqualified elective or preventive. In paragraph C is C is every penalty imposed for unlawful importation, entry, transport, manufacture, processing, sales, or distribution of chemical substance or mixture into within the Philippines shall carry with the confiscation and forfeiture in favor of the government of the proceed to unlawful act in instrument, tools, other improvement, including vehicle committed chemical substance. So, confiscate offense for the Department of Environment and National Resort for risk over for safekeeping in the proper disposal of the chemical substance, yung mga nuclear waste, yung mga ibang chemical mixture na mga danger talaga sa atin. And the section sa section 14 paragraph D, the person importation responsible or connected with the bringing or importation into our country of hazardous nuclear waste shall be under obligation to transport or send back said prohibited waste any and all means of transportation, including all facilities in appurtenances that may have been used transporting to our in the storage in the Philippines of any significant amount of hazardous or nuclear waste shall at the option of the government be fortified in its favor. In any sa dito talaga sangkot talaga ito mga like yung mga head ng custom dyan talaga nagsisimula kasi malaking pera kitain dyan sa pag transport ng mga nuclear waste na dami kasing pwedeng gamitin yan. Any and all means of transportation included all facilities in appurtenances that may have been used transporting or any storage in the Philippines of any significant amount of hazardous or nuclear waste shall at the option of the government to fortified in the favor. In the section 15 administrative fine, ito na yung mga fine ba about dyan sa mga nagtransport ng mga illegal. In all case of violation of the act, including violation of implementing rules, regulation, which have been duly promulgated and published in accordance with Section 16 of Peace Act, the Secretary of Environment of National Resources is hereby authorized to impose a fine of not less than 10,000 pesos but not more than 50,000 pesos upon any person entity found guilty thereof. The administrative fines imposed and collected by the Department of Environmental and National Resources shall accrue the special fund to be administered by the departmental exclusively for project and research and activities relative to toxic substance in mixture. And yun lang po. Thank you sir.